Sanibona mngani. Welcome back to Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom, where learning isiZulu is fun. Mngani, sawubona. Igama lami uMama Thando. My name is Mama Thando. Ubani igama lakho? What's your name? Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. I am so happy to meet you. Mngani is what I'll be calling you from now on. Mngani, because the word umngani in isiZulu is a friend. Mngani, unjani? How are you? Unjani? Well, before you answer, let's just check which word is best to tell how you are feeling today. Let's sing the Imizwa Yethu song. Imizwa yethu, imizwa yethu. Mina nginemizwa, wena unemizwa, yena unemizwa, bona banemizwa, sonke sinemizwa. Mina nginjani, ngabe ngiyaphila, ngabe ngidumele, ngabe ngikhathele, ngabe nginjani. Mina ngiyaphila, ngabe wena unjani, ngabe uyaphila, ngabe uyagula, ngabe ujabule. Wena uyaphila, yena unjani, ngabe udangele, ngabe ukhathele, ngabe unene. Yena uyaphila, bona banjani, ngabe bayaphila, ngabe bayakhala, ngabe bathokozile. Bona bayaphila, thina sinjani, ngabe siyaphila, ngabe sineme, ngabe sijabule. Thina sijabule, thina sijabule. Unjani mngani? Oh, mina ngijabule. Ngijabule mngani. I am so happy because, well, this week is my birthday week. I hope you got your invitation, isimemo, to join me ngoLwesine for my birthday party. Yeah? Check your invitation. I'm sure you've got it in there somewhere. Yeah? Okay. So now let's get on with today's lesson. Let's go through the days of the week ngesiZulu. The days of the week ngesiZulu are izinsuku zesonto. Izinsuku zesonto. That is the days of the week. Now let's say the days of the week and then we can sing the days of the week. Isonto, umsombuluko, uLwesibili, uLwesithathu, uLwesine, uLwesihlanu, uMgqibelo. Very good, mngani. That was great. Now we can sing the days of the week ngesiZulu. Remember, you can stamp your feet, you can chikiza, wiggle your body, you can clap your hands, and you can snap your fingers. Komba, I think you can dance by yourself over there. Yeah. Now, let's sing the days of the week ngesiZulu. Isonto umsombuluko, Lwesibili uLwesithathu, Lwesine uLwesihlanu, kube uMgqibelo. Izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. One more time. Isonto umsombuluko, lwesibili, uLwesithathu, lwesine, uLwesihlanu, kube Mgqibelo, izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. Great, Mngani, that was wonderful. So, what day is it today? uLwesingaki namhlanje. What day is it today? uLwesingaki namhlanje. We saw each other yesterday. And yesterday we had said, umsomluko, yeah, we said umsomluko. Yeah, so, which means today is then uLwesibili. Now let's say that in a whole sentence. Let's put uLwesibili on the board first. There we go. Now let's say that in a whole sentence and say namhlanje uLwesibili. That that B, as long as it doesn't have another consonant next to it, we say it like this. B. Just put your lips together very lazily, very soft, and just go B. Oh, wait, that was very, very boring. It was very soft and very lazy. Okay, did you get it? B. There you go, Mngani. Just put your lips together very softly and let go. Do not purse your lips. Do not tighten or stiffen them. Just leave them to be very soft and then say the sound B. And then you will follow that sound with the vowel that goes with it. And in this case, the vowel is the letter I, which is I. So B. Now let's say the whole sentence now. Namhlanje uLwesibili. Repeat that after me. Namhlanje uLwesibili. Very good, Mngani. Good job. So what was yesterday? Izolo bekuLwesingaki. What day was it yesterday? Izolo bekuLwesingaki. The word izolo is yesterday. We've already said that. We said umsombuluko. So let's put that on the board. Now let's say that. You repeat after me. Izolo bekuwu msombuluko. Very good, Mngani. Let's say the whole sentence now. Izolo bekuwu msombuluko. Very, very good, Mngani. Yesterday was Monday. Izolo bekuwu msombuluko. What about the day before yesterday? Kuthangi, a new word that we learned yesterday. Kuthangi. The day before yesterday. Kuthangi. What day was it the day before yesterday? bekuLwesingaki kuthangi. bekuLwesingaki kuthangi. What day was it the day before yesterday? We said namhlanje uLwesibili. We said izolo bekuwumsombuluko. And so that means isonto. Aha. So let's say that now in a full sentence. Let's put that on the board. Now, Komba, you must Komba and help me. Kuthangi bekuyisonto. The day before yesterday was Sunday. Repeat that after me. kuThangi bekuyisonto. Very good, Mngani. Great job. The word for tomorrow in isiZulu is kusasa. Kusasa, tomorrow. Kusasa. Now, what day will it be tomorrow? If today is uLwesibili, so what day will it be then tomorrow? Kusasa kuzobe kuLwesingaki. Kusasa kuzobe kuLwesingaki. Well, that's easy, isn't it? We know the days of the week. We know it starts with Sunday, isonto, umsombuluko, uLwesibili, uLwesithathu, uLwesithathu. So that's tomorrow, uLwesithathu. And so let's put that on the board. And then repeat after me. Kusasa kuzobe kuLwesithathu. Very good, Mngani. Good job. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. What's the weather like today? Have you looked outside? Yesterday we had such wonderful weather, izolo. We had rain and oh, my flowers are so pretty and so happy today. Mngani, linjani izulu namhlanje? Linjani, linjani izulu namhlanje? Liyabanda, liyashisa, linjani namhlanje? Will you go to the window and check what the weather is like today? Please do ask for help if you can't reach and don't get yourself hurt. I'll be here waiting for you. Da-da-da-dee, da-da-dum, da-da-da-dee, da-da-dum. Oh, usubuyile, you came back so quickly. I wasn't expecting you back yet. Oh, linjani izulu namhlanje? Ooh, lovely weather. Well, how about we check here where Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom is? We need to look out the imaginary window. Imaginary window, where windy was. Siyabonga. Thank you, imaginary window. Ooh, look at that. It's nice and sunny today. Liyashisa. We can go outside and play and have fun. Liyashisa. It's sunny, it's hot. Siyabonga, imaginary window. Thank you. Yeah? So, how do we say that though in a full sentence? To say it is hot, but in a full sentence, like this. Like this in English. Today, the weather is hot. Now, here is how we say it in a full sentence ngesiZulu. Namhlanje. Namhlanje. Izulu. Izulu. Liyashisa. Liyashisa. Let me say the whole sentence now. Namhlanje izulu liyashisa. Will you repeat that after me? Namhlanje izulu liyashisa. Very good, Mngani. Halala. So, if the weather is hot, what picture can we put there? Will you help me? Is it this picture or that picture? This one on the left, this one or that one? Which one do you think? Oh yeah, that's easy, yeah? Yebo. Ngiyabonga Mngani for helping me. Alright. Now, if we know what the weather is, then we are able to help Amahle to get dressed and get outside and go play and have fun. Amahle! Wozoqoka. Wozoqoka. Come get dressed. There she is. Sawubona. Yebo. Ayike. Now, mngani, please help me choose an outfit for Amahle to wear today. Remember, liyashisa. What should she wear? These trousers, ibhulukwe, or these shorts, isikhindi. Trousers in isiZulu are ibhulukwe. Will you repeat that after me? Ibhulukwe. Very good. And shorts in isiZulu are isikhindi. Isikhindi. Repeat after me. Isikhindi. Very good, mngani. Which one should you wear? Ibhulukwe noma isikhindi? Isikhindi, right? Nami ngibona kanjalo. Let's tell Amahle to put on the shorts. Let's say, Amahle, gqoka isikhindi. Amahle, gqoka isikhindi. Ngiyabonga mngani. Which top should she wear? Ooh, that's pretty. That's also really pretty. Ooh, having a hard time deciding. Which one do you think is best? Yeah, right? It matches nicely. It's really, really cute too. A pink t-shirt with flowers on it. A t-shirt in isiZulu is isikipha. 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 Will you repeat that after me? Isikipha. Very good, mngani. Now let's tell Amahle to put this t-shirt on. Let's say, Amahle, gqoka isikipha. Amahle, gqoka isikipha. Ngiyabonga mngani. Thank you mngani. Oh, shoes. She needs shoes. Yesterday, Izolo, she didn't wear any shoes because she was igumbi lokuphumula, the living room. That's where she was playing yesterday. But today, she's going outside. Now, let's see what she can wear. Oh, those are really cute. Yeah, those make more sense, don't they? Yeah, amateki, amateki, sneakers, techies. Sneakers in isiZulu are amateki. Very good. Now, mngani, let's tell Amahle to put them on. We'll say, Amahle, gqoka amateki. Amahle, gqoka amateki. Very good. She looks so cute already. Now look at all the things Amahle is wearing. Can we say that in isiZulu? Say each item but in a full sentence and say Amahle is wearing a t-shirt, Amahle is wearing shorts, Amahle is wearing sneakers in isiZulu. Let's say it together. This is how we say it. Amahle ugqoke, and then we say the thing she's wearing. So Amahle is wearing, and then the thing she's wearing. Now let's say the first one. Isikipha. Isikipha. Amahle ugqoke isikipha. The shorts. Isikhindi. Amahle ugqoke isikhindi. And the sneakers. Amahle ugqoke amateki. Very good mngani. Hamba kahle Amahle. Ngiyabonga mngani. Thank you so much for helping me. Let's move on to the next part of our board. This one is very exciting because it is my favorite color. So, umbala owolintshi, the color orange, or we could say the orange color in English. Umbala owolintshi. Let's say this word, but I want you to say the NTSH sound first. Ntsh. Now repeat after me. Ntsh. Ntsh. Now make sure that you don't have another sound before it like this. Ntsh, or ntsh. We don't want that other sound. We want it to just be one sound. Ntsh. Now, let's say the whole word, Wolintshi. Very good, Mngani. Now, what orange things do we have today? Look at that. Amabhulukwe awolintshi. Amabhulukwe awolintshi. Will you repeat that after me? Amabhulukwe awolintshi. Very good, Mngani. The next thing, this is nice because it's my birthday and I do need decorations for my birthday, don't I? So, ibhalunde eliwolintshi. Ibhalunde eliwolintshi. Will you say that after me? The orange balloon. Ibhalunde eliwolintshi. Very good, Mngani. And now the next part is the word of the week. The word for this week is thanda. Thanda. And this is an action word, which is to love or to like in English. Thanda. Will you repeat that after me? Thanda. Very good, Mngani. Yebo, it's similar to my name. My name is Thando, but it ends with an O. That's because it comes from the noun uthando. Uthando. That is love in isiZulu. But the action now, the verb, the thing that you do is to love. Thanda. Thanda. That ends with an A. And it doesn't have a vowel at the beginning of the word. So, will you repeat that after me? Thanda. Good job, Mngani. Now, I want to use this beautiful word in a sentence or two, or maybe three. Okay. Imisho, emithathu. 3 sentences. Yesterday, I told you that I love myself. Ngiyazithanda. I also told you that ngiyawuthanda umndeni wami. I love my family. And then I told you that I love swimming. Ngiyakuthanda ukubhukuda. Now, these are the 3 things that I love that I want to share with you today. Ngiyabathanda abantwana bami. Ngiyabathanda abantwana bami. I love my children. Will you repeat that sentence after me? Ngiyabathanda abantwana bami. Now, you don't have any children, or maybe you have dolls and teddies, so you can say you love your children with that. But you could also say you love your parents. Abazali. Abazali. Now let's say that. Ngiyabathanda abazali bami. Ngiyabathanda abazali bami. Do you see the only difference in that sentence? The one about your parents and the one about my kids? It's just who it is that we are loving. Everything else was the same. Ngiyabathanda. That's because the word, the person or the thing that we are saying we love starts with aba, and so everything will then be the same. Ngiyabathanda abantwana bami. Ngiyabathanda abazali bami. The next thing I want to share with you that I love is music. I love music. Ngiyawuthanda umculo. Ngiyawuthanda umculo. The word music in isiZulu is umculo. Umculo. Now, repeat that after me. Ngiyawuthanda umculo. Very good, Mngani. Then the third thing is tattoo. The third thing that I love that I want to share with you today is I want you to try and translate this to English yourself. Ngiyasithanda isiZulu. And now, the third thing that I love, ngiyasithanda isiZulu. Ngiyasithanda isiZulu. And that says, can you think about it? What does it say in English? Yebo, I love isiZulu. I love my language very, very much. Now, will you repeat that after me? Ngiyasithanda isiZulu. Wonderful, Mngani. Great job. And then the sound of this week is O, O, O. What we see as the letter O in English is O in isiZulu. Now let's say two words that have the sound O in isiZulu. Inkomo, inkomo, inkomo. That's a cow. Inkomo. Now we say it after me. That NK sound, you feel it exactly the same place that you feel the K. But this time the K has an N before it. And so we say it a little stronger. Inkomo. Repeat after me. Inkomo. Very good, Mngani. And then the next word is ubhozo. Ubhozo. That is the big toe. So not the other toes, just the big toe. One big toe. Ubhozo. Will you repeat that after me? Ubhozo. Very good. But then, what about more than one big toe? This one will look more special. Look at it. Obhozo. Obhozo. So we have three in that word. Obhozo. So big toes. Obhozo. Will you repeat that after me? Obhozo. Very good, Mngani. Very, very good. That was wonderful. Now let's move on to the number of the week. The number for this week is kune. Kune. The number 4. And we have put on our fence how many sticks? Ezine. Ezine. Izinti ezine. 4 sticks. Will you repeat that after me? Izinti ezine. Great job, Mngani. Wonderful. And we added my favorite color yesterday. Yeah. So, uluthi, oluwolintshi, uluthi, oluphuzi. We haven't done this one, so let's skip it. And then uluthi, olubomvu. Yeah. And then we move on to the very last part of our lesson, which is Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Let's say them from 0 to 9. Iqanda, kunye, kubili, kuthathu, kune, kuhlanu, isithupha, isikhombisa, isishiya galombili, isishiya galolunye. Shaya izandla mngani, clap your hands. That was great. And now we can move on to the tens. We are done with all the units. Now we are moving on to the tens. And then look at each number. Each number has two parts in it. And so we are going to say both of those parts. The first part tells us the tens, how many tens. Then the second part tells us the units. And so here we start. A 10 in isiZulu is ishumi. Ishumi. Will you repeat that after me? Ishumi. Very good. And then after that, we are going to be saying a 10 and 1 unit. A 10 and 2 units. A 10 and 3 units. A 10 and 4 units. A 10 and 5 units. A 10 and 6 units. A 10 and 7 units. A 10 and 8 units. A 10 and 9 units. Now, repeat them after me and take your time. If you must pause the video, then pause the video so that you can practice to say it correctly. Let's start. Ishumi. Ishumi nanye. Ishumi nambili. Ishumi nantathu. Ishumi nane. Ishumi nanhlanu. Ishumi nesithupha. Ishumi nesikhombisa. Ishumi nesishiya galombili. Ishumi nesishiya galolunye. Very, very good, mngani. That was wonderful. And so we have come to the very end of our lesson. I will see you. What? We can't go before we exercise and move our bodies and exercise. And let's do that then, mngani.
Sukuma. Shaya izandla. Shona phansi. Phezulu. Eceleni. Jikeleza. Jikeleza. Eceleni. Gijima. Zilule. Shaya izandla.
That was great, mngani. Ngizokubona kusasa. I will see you tomorrow. Sala kahle.